So you had HelloFresh, you had Blue Apron, and burning tons of capital. And it was just crazy where the average order value was like $60 back then. Their CAC was friggin' crazy hundreds of dollars, and their LTV was basically a month, right? So from that standpoint, they'd go trial, but you can't just throw endless money, right? A lot of people were looking at it to me as that tech rush again, right? Trying to get those big multiples and hey, when we get the money, then we'll figure it all out. But from our standpoint, from day one, we did this a little bit differently. We didn't go and raise a bunch of capital up front. It was mainly funded by myself and a couple smaller people, but we haven't still raised any huge amounts of money. So it was important to be able to run the business out of cash and keep that going. So that meant for us not going to, let's say, the big grocery guys and stuff right at the start, because a lot of those, when we had those discussions, they wanted 60, 90, 120 day terms. And I can't afford to get paid once every quarter or whatever. We were more picky that way. We built a direct to consumer. We tried to do some different partnerships differently. We built what I'll call is a pretty decent wholesale size business for us. When I say wholesale, smaller retailers and stuff in different markets. And then we use that as a marketing arm.
Want to listen to the full interview? Go to Apple, Spotify, YouTube, or wherever you consume podcasts.